Got you right on the sidewall too, huh? Like right at the corner, bro. What the fuck? What up? What up?
Hey.
Nice to see you again soon as hell. What happened?
I ran over 100+ nails.
What the fuck?
What's going on?
What's going on?
Son.
Kenny, nice to meet you, bro.
Fresh babies.
Fresh set?
Fresh set.
Woo, with the stickers on them. Word.
Kenny.
Always a pleasure, my guy.
Thank you.
Yo, send me some pics after you're done swapping that over.
I know. Well,